Hi my friends, glad to see you here. In this video, I'm going to show you our product, the wall hanging Velcro blanket. This blanket measures 60 times 46 centimeters. There are two hanging snaps on each side, so you can hang it nicely on the wall and stick the patch you need to display on it. Rest assured that this Velcro blanket will glue your patch on nicely. It's foldable for storage and doesn't take up large space. This wall-hang Velcro blanket comes in two colors, one in khaki and the other is this camouflage color. That's all for today. What will be the next product to meet with you? Let's look forward to it. See you next time.